Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we have something extra special. 50 real-life English questions and answers that will help you with small talk in everyday situations. I want you to speak along with me. So listen, then repeat. Are you ready? Let's get started. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. How about you? What's your name? My name is Thomas. Where are you from? I'm from France. What do you do? I'm a student. What are you studying? I'm studying English. Do you like music? Yes, I love listening to music. Do you enjoy watching movies? Yes, I do. What about you? What kind of movies do you like? I like comedies, action, romance. Do you like reading books? Yes, I often read in my free time. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Do you play any sports? No, but I like watching sports. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, cooking is fun. What's your favorite food? I love pizza, sushi, etc. Do you like coffee or tea more? I prefer coffee. How about you? What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 5 o'clock. What do you do in the morning? I usually go for a walk. How do you go to school? I go by bus. Do you like your commute? Sometimes yes. It's tiring. What do you do after school? I like to relax, watch TV and study. Do you listen to podcasts or music while traveling? Yes, I love music. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I try to exercise every day. How do you spend your weekends? I go out with friends. What's your favorite way to relax? Watching movies. Do you cook at home often? Yes, I cook often. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. Which place would you like to visit next? I would like to visit historical places. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I like painting. Do you speak other languages? Yes, I speak Hindi and English. What's your favorite season? I like winter. Where do you want to travel? I want to travel to London. Have you ever been abroad? No, not yet. Do you like shopping? Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes. What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Do you like math? A little, but it's difficult for me. Do you play video games? Yes, I play sometimes. How often do you use your phone? I use my phone every day. Do you like dancing? Yes, it's fun. Do you like rain? Yes, rain makes me happy. Do you like the beach? Yes, I love walking on the beach. Do you like mountains? Yes, I love hiking in the mountains. Do you enjoy studying English? Yes, it helps me connect with more people. How often do you practice English? I practice every day. Who do you practice with? I practice with my friends. Do you want to be fluent in English? Yes, that's my dream. Why are you learning English? For my career and for travel. Do you enjoy these lessons? Yes, they are very helpful. Great job, my friends. You just practiced everyday English questions and answers. These are the building blocks of real conversations. Practice them every day, listen, repeat, and try to use them in real life. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. Now tell me in the comments which question was the easiest for you and which one was the most difficult. I'd love to know. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next lesson.